Now in this function we check an if condition, and as you can see we have indented a long situation, a long codes, and we simply echoed some statements, and then we check another condition in this if condition. So in order to refactor this, we can simply go ahead and type an else statement, and then we return null for this else condition. And after that, again we go to the if condition, press alt plus enter on your keyboard in the PHP store, and then invert the if statement. So it will automatically invert the condition, and we return null in the if, and in the else we simply again remove the curly braces. And that's how you can change your code to a flat mode, and we have reduced the indented code.